Hi guys, so in this particular video I'm going to explain to you how you can currently navigate in the Cbex exchange platform. I currently talked about it in my last video. If you check out my last video, I was talking about a few days to going down. So this is what I said in this particular video. I'm going to be making some emphasis on all I said in this video, in this particular video also right now. So right now I'm happy to tell you that Cbex is currently still paying and we are all making money while we are smiling right now. But the first rule in investment is actually invest the amount you can afford to lose right now. So we all know this, that investing into cryptocurrency is kind of all risk right here, and we need to invest the amount we can afford to lose right now. So that's the first thing right now. So in Cbex right now, I've gotten some tips that actually can help us to actually earn more in this particular platform, and I'm going to be sharing with you. So I might not be making daily video just like this. So I have a community. If you check my description of this particular video, you are going to see I have a link to my Telegram right there, which actually links to my Telegram. So if you click on it, you're going to see other people also learning from this and joining this particular community to get updates and information right now. So you can actually join right there. So without further ado, let's move straight into the tips for this particular video right now. So about Cbex at this particular moment, the platform is currently playing very well, and this is currently massive. Even for me, I actually don't want this to stop, but life is actually not balanced right now, and currently you just have to put this at the back of your mind that some people are still going to laugh in this particular project, while many people are still going to cry right now. So where do you want to belong? That is the question you are going to be asking yourself right now, that where am I going to belong in this particular scenario? Am I going to be among those people that are going to laugh, or I'm going to be among those that are going to cry right now? So for me, I have currently positioned myself to be among those people that are going to laugh right now. And how did I get that done right? So I'm going to be giving you some tips and clue that I did into my investment. And you can also do the same thing right now to actually make your own financial decision right now. So first things first is actually to remove your capital immediately you are able to achieve your capital from the platform, right? All right, so if you currently invest with about let's say you pay $500 right now, and I think in a month and 10 days, correct me in the comment section if I'm currently wrong about this. So in a month and 10 days, I think you're going to be getting your balance back in full votes right now, like 2x right now. So once you get your balance in 2x, all you need to do is to withdraw. Do not allow greediness to actually kill you right there. Just withdraw your money out here, which is your first capital, then continue with the rest. So after you've done that, you currently position yourself to those people that are not going to cry in this particular platform right now. Remember, I said this life is currently no balance. We have a lot of people that are still going to make more money, build house, buy cars in this particular project, and a lot of people are still going to go bankrupt because of this. So second thing I'm going to talk about is never borrow to invest into this particular project. All right, so this is paying out. I'm investing with 100, I'm not getting more money. People that are investing with $1,000 are getting like $20 per day kind of, and you want to go to bank to borrow money and put into. This is not the financial advice, so you can make sure you go with whatever you want, but I'm currently telling you right now that you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Just invest the amount you can afford to lose, and to lose rather. And once you get the amount you can afford to lose, make sure you withdraw if you actually get your capital. So with these few points, I think I'm going to just be cutting this particular video right now. You can see I'm not currently in my studio. I'm just out there, so I just have to make this particular video for you to be able to see what is happening into this platform. Like Cbex is currently paying, and for those people looking forward to join Cbex, I have a link at the description of this particular video. And if you check the first comment section also, you're going to see the link right here, which is going to dive you to starting, and you can start investing right now. So do well to make sure your day is good and stay safe.